Hello everyone, in this video let us talk about a comment that was or a question that was asked on my YouTube channel recently about ScriptRunner's capability of writing to a database table on a workflow transition. So there was a question that was asked recently, and this question was all about how to write the details of an issue like title, summary, or maybe some other field that you may have in your issue to a database table when the status of the issue is changed from in progress to done. Now, this can be done, of course, very easily with ScriptRunner for Jira. All you need to do, you need to basically run a script as a post function. So when you install ScriptRunner for Jira, you have the option to create post functions, and these post functions will let you do something. It could be as simple as updating a value, or it could be something like running a custom script. Now, you can definitely run a script, a Groovy script, that can actually connect to a database. It could be any database, external database, where you can write those issue details or the values. Now, when it comes to writing a database, I made one video about this topic where you can simply create or maybe make an entry into a database table. Now, when you connect to a database using ScriptRunner, you have, of course, the option to pass the credentials, your username and password in your script. But in the most recent version of ScriptRunner for Jira, you can actually save your connection as a connection pool. It is like having some resource. So there is if you go to the resources section of your ScriptRunner, you will find it easily on the panel when you go to the ScriptRunner, and you have the option to create a database connection, and that can be used in your script. But the point is that you can definitely do that using a ScriptRunner. All you need to do, you need to use a post function, a scripted post function in your workflows transition. So I hope you found this video useful and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.